Okay, so here we have PX Central, which gives us access to PX Backup. When you install PX Backup and connect to cluster, this is what you'll see. Today, I'm going to focus on a stateless backup. And what I mean by that is you really might not be aware of is that Portworx Enterprise doesn't need to be installed in order to use PX Backup. So here I have a namespace in which I'm running stateless applications, meaning they aren't using PVCs of any kind, whether I'm in the cloud or Portworx PVCs at all. These are just kind of front-end Apache Nginx deployments, and I want to back them up. This is a perfect use case for PX Backup because I don't actually need stateful workloads to use PX Backup. So what I can do here is create a backup of this entire namespace front end, and we'll give the backup a appropriate name of stateless backup and select our backup location and give this backup a label appropriately as type equals stateless. And we'll create that label and go ahead and create the backup. So what you'll see here in the details is that when it first starts, you'll see that it's targeting the namespace, and then eventually it will update and show you everything within that namespace that it has backed up. So if we give a refresh here, we can see that it is green, so it's exceeded. We can show the details again and see that we have a service, 2 deployments, a role, binding, and a role. So here you can see these are all just stateless components, meaning PX Backup works perfect for these use cases, meaning you can use it for backup and restore for disaster recovery. You can use it migrating stateless applications from one Kubernetes cluster to another. But the point being is that you don't have to use stateful workloads to use this. And if you want to restore your stateless backup, go ahead and click restore on that backup, and we'll give this restore a name, stateless restore 1, and target our Kubernetes cluster, can be on-prem or in the cloud. And we'll give the destination namespace a different namespace, in this case, frontend 2. We'll make sure and replace any resources. This is optional, but I'm going to click that. And we'll go ahead and kick off that restore. In just a few moments, all that stateless information will be deployed back into the target Kubernetes application namespace in the target destination cluster, and we can see success. So this has been kind of showing that PX Backup can use for stateless workloads, and you don't need to be running any stateful. Until next time, take care.